effective revision. How many questions should someone revising for the MRCS attempt? At Pastest, we know that the average number of questions answered is about 2,500. But we're now confident that if you want to be in the top percentile, you need to be answering over 3,000 questions. We have evidence now to show that more is better. If you do those 3,000 questions over a reasonable length of time, combined with other effective revision techniques, you're much more likely to pass the exam. When revising, don't rush. That means revise until you're confident that your knowledge is ready. There's no point sitting an exam that you're not ready for. You need to get it right first time, so structure your exam revision properly. Use all of the resources available to you. I know it's difficult to think about, but people don't always pass the MRCS first time. Therefore, begin your revision early and allow for the possibility that if you do not pass, you may need a resit. Don't leave everything to the last moment. A good surgical trainee has insight into their strengths and weaknesses. This means you need to identify your areas for growth and use that in your revision. Use the software on the Pastest website and app to allow you to identify where you're weakest and build on those weaknesses. Some weaknesses aren't as important as others. So for example, if you're finding you're weak in anatomy, this is really something you need to build on, whereas other question areas have less weighting. Don't be afraid to use different learning styles and tools. Revision is not all about answering questions. There's multimedia, mock exams, and timed questions that you should also use to build on your knowledge. When it comes to past papers and mock exams, practice doesn't make perfect. Perfect practice makes perfect. What this means is you need to practice the exam as if you were sitting the exam. The closer you get to the exam, the more often you should be doing mock exams and past papers, and the harder they should be. Use the Pastest software to build an exam that will really test you. You're only cheating yourself if you make your mock exam or timed paper easy.